Hello everyone, this is Carl Shiflett. In this short video, I want to show you some a new feature that we've added to the Xamarin.Forms XamDataGrid control configurator. So here you can see I've got my XamDataGrid, and I'm going to open up my configurator by clicking on the start tag for the control, and then just pressing Control dot, and that opens up my configurator. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger here. Okay, so you can see that this is what you would expect. It's got the columns. I'm going to go ahead and add the birthday here. So in order to do that, I expose my column and I'm going to add it in there, and you can see it's right here. Now what I want to do is show you the row grouping feature. So you come up here and you can click on row grouping, and you get this little dialog that's going to show all the columns. Now, it's not just the columns that are displayed, but you can also group by any columns that you want to. So in this case, I want to go with the birthday. So I click on birthday, and then the add button gets lit up, and it gives me a little form I can fill out. And because it's a date field, let's go ahead and pick a short date for the display. And here you can see I'm going to change this to birth date, just by way of demonstration. And I'm going to click OK. And then what you can see is, oh, I must have picked the wrong format. Let's run back up here. Oh, I picked short time. Let's pick short date. There we go. And then so you could see here, so I had birth date, so I was able to change the label, and then you could see how they're grouped here. And of course, you don't have to have the birthday in there if you don't want it. So that's pretty neat, right? Now one of the things you're going to notice, I'm going to move this up, and the way the grid works is the the group by area is pinned until all these rows are scrolled out of view, and then it begins to scroll. You see how that works? All right. So that's turned on in one of two ways. It's on by default, but it's down here. See where it says is group row sticky. So if you have that turned on, then it operates that way. And then you can also enable or disable your group row sticky thing, and we got a nice tooltip that explains it. Now, if you want to group by multiple fields, you can. Like for instance, if you wanted to do something like that, you could do it, and then you can click on one of them, and you could move it up, and it becomes more prominent. You can move it down, or you can remove it. Now, if you want to get rid of grouping completely, you just go ahead and select the last group and hit remove, and then click OK, and it'll go back to normal. All right, so this is one of the new features in Infragistics Xamarin.Forms offering, and it's called the row grouping feature. So check out all of our other features on our website, and have a wonderful day. And thank you for using Infragistics.